So, in the UK justice system, a woman can kill a man and not go to jail. That may sound crazy, but that's actually true, and it's exactly what happened in this case here. Here's the headline: Baby-faced teenager punches man unconscious in street, but is cleared of causing his death just days later. And wait until you see why she was cleared. Now, it's important to note that the UK does have a separate two-tier justice system for men and women under law. I did a pretty good write-up on Reddit, which I've linked below in the description, kind of explaining it. But this is something that feminists have been campaigning for and is the actual legal practice. If you look at this headline here, there is in fact a two distinct justice system approach for men and women. Women to be jailed only for serious crimes, as that headline reads. And it looks like even for murder, there's no jail time. Let's take a look. I won't do the whole article to keep it under 3 minutes, but I've linked it below so you see the whole thing, but here we go. A drunken young woman viciously knocked a 58-year-old man unconscious during an angry confrontation in the street, and he fell to the ground, hit his head, and died a week later. Humberside police originally launched a murder investigation into the death of Andrew Turner, 58. But despite his tragic death so soon after the violent attack, two experts have decided that Kelsey O'Hara, then age 19, was not responsible for his death. Hull Crown Court heard baby-faced O'Hara attack the man after he didn't apologize for bumping into her friend. It goes on. Mr. Turner of Bridlington suffered a cut of 5 to 7 inches to the back of his head and was bleeding. He tried to get up when he regained consciousness, but could not do so, said Mr. Epsley. Police and paramedics arrived, but Mr. Turner refused to go to the hospital. O'Hara, who was 19 at the time, was arrested the next day. She made no comment during the police interview. But now listen to what the judge has to say. Judge Sophie McCone told O'Hara, Mr. Turner has since died, but I make it absolutely clear that you bear no responsibility for that. There is evidence from two experts, a pathologist and neuropathologist, who concluded that your actions did not contribute to his death. O'Hara was given a 6-month suspended custodial sentence. Suspended means no jail in the UK, a 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew, and 20 days rehabilitation. A suspended sentence means that she's not going to go to jail for killing someone, because the judge said somehow, even though she punched him and caused serious head injury and he died a week later, she wasn't responsible for his death. Try and imagine if the genders were reversed for a second.